Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to get activation code from Aviator Predictor. So let's start. So first let's go to Google and write GitHub Aviator Predictor, and then let's go to the first option that appears here. Just click here and just go down, scroll down, and then you have to go to the option that says Aviator Predictor. So let's check, for example, let's click here in this one that says Aviator Predictor code. Just click here, and here you will get the code for Aviator Predictor app, and for example how you can use it, how you can do it, Git beginners with a Predictor app. So you have to read everything for getting the code, as you can see here, and you can get the app here for Android, iOS, or Windows. So just click here and you can get the code for Aviator Predictor. As you can see, it's easy to do it. Just read everything for getting it. So I hope this information helps you. If you need more help, just leave in the comments, and thank you for watching this video.